Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. So, you might know that a couple months ago I made a speedometer, which was this software. So I have finally. So this was, I know it's a pretty bad software. So before we start doing, I'll show you the whole coding. Let's see our old one. Let's run the software. Okay, speed. Let's keep like speed. I had to find speed, so I don't know speed. So 0 time is I think so 5, distance is 10, and this, okay, so I have to find out speed. S is equal to D divided by T. Okay, answer is 2.2. But here, just see this is like such a strong. I write this code over here in this. Now let's see this after this many months. Okay, what do you want to find? I want to find speed. Just write that. What is a unit? Unit means a kilometers per hour, like that. So kilometers per hour. Okay. Enter distance. Distance I think was 10. Time was also 5. So hence speed is 2 kilometers per hour. This is much better because here you have to write the formula. Instead you are just you just tell the speed and just do it. And if you have noticed, see here, whenever I typed, it will be next to a number, and like time you have to write the next year only. And you're seeing that here it's next year I am changing a new line. So with the new codes and new adding new things, so why not we create it again? So I'm gonna create a new file. I'll just, you know what, I'll just delete this, just rewrite here only, because in this and this there's no difference, because I actually done this all full form and done. So anyway, yeah, let's begin. So first, of course, so we're going to create a new variable called question. So question equals to input. Yeah, then I'm going to write what, I'll just see. Yeah, I'll just write here, sorry, what do you want to find? Yeah, I write this, think, not think, find. Okay, what do you want to find? If, then I'm going to write here if command. If question equals speed, then had to, then I'm gonna ask, then I'm gonna create a new variable called speed, because you're gonna find a speed. So I'm gonna create a variable called speed underscore type, and it's gonna import from here, I know, but I'm gonna delete these lines. Yeah, I'm gonna keep it just, yeah, speed type equals, I'm gonna create a new variable called input, and which I'm gonna keep first int, then, no, actually input only, sorry, input. Then I'm gonna write enter your unit. Okay, and also just if you don't know, you can keep a slash n over here, which means creates a new line, which I'm gonna give you answer new line, which I think it's pretty neat. So I'm gonna do that from now only. Yeah, then I'm gonna ask, this I'm gonna write d underscore 1 as distance, d underscore 1, int. So I'm gonna write here in brackets input. I'm gonna write here um, enter distance. Then I'm gonna keep again a slash n. Okay, done. Then I'm gonna write, I'm gonna give a new variable called time. T underscore 1 is equal to int input, enter time slash n, sorry, n. Yeah, done. Now I'll just write this print in brackets, hence speed, it is speed is, then I'm gonna write here, since speed is equal to distance by time, so I'm gonna write here means distance divided by time. You can also I call this limit. Okay. T, then I'm gonna write here T1, yeah. So it's basically gonna divide it, and I'm gonna, since you asked that unit here, I'm gonna just do that also. Speed. Wait, speed type. Let's once check it out. Is it working or not? What you want to find speed, because I did not add rest all units. Enter unit km slash r. Enter distance 10 5. See, it's working perfectly. Just we add everything. So like that, we have completed the first one. Then I'm gonna write the second one. I'm gonna give it two spaces. If you want, you cannot give also, but I like to keep it a bit clean. So if elif question equals, if it was distance, yeah, then I'm gonna write here. Then we're gonna write here s underscore one, given like a speed. I don't like to use the this value again, which will make it like a bit tough for me. I just like to create new variables. So speed, I'm just gonna ask. Wait, before that we had to actually create a speed type. So I'm gonna write here distance type, because distance is here. Distance type. Now I'm gonna write here input. Enter distance. Distance. Then I'm gonna give a colon and slash for a new line. Then I'm gonna keep your distance type. Now I should ask speed. So s1, because I'm asking the speed. S underscore 1, where I'm gonna keep in capital, not q1. Okay. Then I'm gonna keep int input. Then I'm gonna write enter speed. Then I'm gonna write here slash n. Simple. Then I'm gonna go again down. I'm gonna create a new variable. Since here time t1 I'm already written, I'm gonna write t underscore 2, a new variable which is clean for me. Int input. Then I'm gonna write enter time. Then I'm gonna write slash and done. Okay. Then we have almost done. Just we'll write the last print command. Print. We're gonna hence a comma. mm, Distance tense is, I'm gonna write here in another comma the actual formula. Since speed underscore 1 multiplied t underscore with, yeah, t underscore 2, then I'm gonna write here distance type again in new comma, the underscore type. So because I've already asked here, and it's going, when whatever value I give for distance type, it's gonna print up here. So we have done with distance and speed. So now almost, so we are almost done. If you see that I finished the code by here by in under 13 lines, here also, like, of course I have almost done, but see, it is under 11 lines, but see here, because we are making it more human language, we have to write more code. So that's why. Here it's just like not, it's like whatever, I'll write a formula and it will calculate for you, create a variable called op. What is this all stuff with? I don't know. This is like simple, even more simple. It's directly solving the problem here only in this line. Instead, it is taking probably this much lines, two lines. Instead, we are doing it one line. Okay. Anyway, let's go to let's create now time question. Then I'm gonna write equal sign. Then I'm gonna write here time. Mm, then I'm gonna write here time underscore type equals time, yeah, time type is equals to, of course, what we'll call time type. So we're gonna create input uh, enter unit. Sorry, actually I just noticed I did not write it. This right here, unit. I'm so sorry, I did not notice it. Enter unit, done. So I have done that. Enter unit. Here also I'll just write enter unit. Wait, yeah, enter unit. Then I'm gonna like print out s, then not s because there is not find your time. Means time equals to, I think so, distance divided by speed. So since I wrote here s1 already, I'm going to write here s2 underscore 2 equals int input enter. And I'm gonna write here enter because I had to find their time, right? So I enter speed. Okay, then I'm gonna keep d2. I'm gonna write here int input. Then I'm gonna write here enter distance. Just I forgot the slash n commands. They are very important for making my code professional. Maybe I don't know. I'm just typing these because it makes them like a new line. So yeah, okay. Enter speed, enter distance. Now parent, hence time. Wait, sorry, I just spammed on my spacebar. Hence time is just in the space over here, a comma that I'm gonna write here. We are gonna write here d underscore 2 divided by s underscore, sorry, underscore 2, and then I'm gonna also print here the time type. Okay, we have done, but I'm just gonna add a small code over here, a small line of a else command, just in case we write wrong. So I'm gonna write a print error, try again. So we have done. We have completed the code. Let's save it and just boom. Yeah. I'll just close this up quickly and just run it freshly. Okay. What do you want to find? I want to find distance. Let's actually find speed first. Then we're going to cover all. First, let's find speed. What's your unit? Meters per second. Distance was 10 meters. Time was like 3. Hence it is this. And if you have not noticed yet, I have given a int command. Okay, now if I just in case, I'll show you something. Give it a minute. Yeah, I'm gonna go speed into unit, and it's meters per second. Since I'm gonna show you like this here, since we are this over yeah, since this is all an int value, I can't give it decimals. What is like distance was like 9.9 meters. Yeah, if you want like the correct answer, you can see here 9.9 because it's not like a right one. For that, you can just change the code over here to float. I'll just change everything to float, and you can see float, float, float. This also float. Oh yeah, this one also missed. Float. We have done then. We are almost done. So let's see. What do you want to find? Speed, huh? Okay. Let's find now speed. Wait, what happened here? Speed. Enter unit. Kilometers per hour. Or let's write meters per second. Or no, n per second. And the distance, now if I write 8.9 for example, it will take that, and time also, like it was 1.25 seconds, it's going to give now also. So I hope you all enjoyed. Okay, floats, okay, small error, okay, then anyway, hope you all enjoyed this video. I